Hi children, welcome you all to this session. Today we are going to deal with a new concept which is called as number patterns. Here you can find many amazing numbers and how some patterns are followed in few numbers. That is a fully concept which we are going to discuss today. So in today's class you are in need of only a textbook and a pencil. Okay. So you can take page number 17 for that. Okay children. Today we are going to start with a new concept called number patterns. Okay, so there will be certain patterns which will be followed by numbers. Okay, we can deal with many patterns. Okay, so here they have given few patterns how the numbers are king. You can take page number 17 in your textbook children. It is a theory type so that you can refer that fully. You can refer it. Okay, first is they have written the ninth table. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27. Like that they have given the ninth table. See, you can see some pattern is followed here. I hope you know it already, but I am just giving you again a reference. I am giving a recall of it. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Likewise, in upside down 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is how the number or this is what the pattern which is followed in ninth table. Okay, listen carefully. This 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Like upside down 0, 1, 2, 3. If I am writing, you will get the ninth table. So this is one of the trick to write the ninth table. So this is what the number pattern which is followed in ninth table. Okay, next. See, next question which is given in that is, see, 9 into 1 you are getting 9. If you add plus 1 to this, you will get 10. Then 9 into 1, 2. Okay, 1 is there, 1, 2, which is 12. You will get 108. Plus 2, you will get 1, here 2. 110. 9 into 123, you will get 1107 plus 3 if you do. Because, see, 9, 9, 9. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, like this 9, 108, 1107, 1, 2, 3, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. So obviously what will the answer comes here? 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, 4, 1, then 0. Here, 5, 1, 0. Here, 6, 1, 0. So this is what the pattern followed here. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 4, 5, 6. Next 1, 2, 3 here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, listen. We have to find this. Why I am saying we have to find this? Listen, there will be certain changes which takes place here. 1, 2, 3, 4 into 9. 9 4s are 36, 9 3s are 27, 33, 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 3, 21, 9 plus 2, 11. So, 1, 1, 1, 0, 6. Okay, so what it is given? 1, 1, 1, 0, 6. Okay, next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 9. 5 4s are 5 9s are 45, 9 4s are 36, 36 plus 4, 40, 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 4, 31, 31, 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 3, 21, so 11. So 1, 1, 1, 44, 1, 0, 5. So here 5 ones will come 0, 0, 4. Okay, listen. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 1, 1, 1, 1. Here 1. Here 2 ones are there. Here 3 ones are there. Here 4 ones. Here 5 ones. So, this is actually a number pattern which is followed. Listen carefully. 9, 9, 9, 9. Same numbers is repeated. Next. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, 9, after that 108, because see, listen, if you put 0 here, 0 is coming. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. then all zeros, then here only 1, next 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones. So this is one pattern, right? So common some formula is used to find it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next 1 0, 2 1 0, 3 ones 0, 4 ones 0, 5 ones 0, 6 ones 0. So this is what one of the number pattern. Okay, next. So you can copy it in your book. Okay, textbook you can copy it. Don't write it in your fair note. Okay. Now 9 9s are 81. 99 into 9, 891. Then 999 into 9, 8991. So 9991 into 9 is 89991. Next 89991. Next 8999991. Okay. So this is what the pattern. You can check it. Okay. I am just multiplying. Listen. I am going to multiply 9999 into 9. If you are getting this, no problem. 9 9s are 81. 9 9s are 81 plus 8 89. 9 9s are 81 plus 8 89. 9 9s are 81 plus 8 89. So did you got this answer? So 9, 2 9s are used, 3 9s, 4 9s, 5 9s, 6 9s. This into 9. So I am getting 89, 891, 8991, 89,991, 8,99,999, 89,999. So this is what one of the pattern. Okay. So always this magical miracle will take place, especially in number 9. Okay. Using this, so we also say that number 9 is a magic number also. Okay, children. So see, you can take page number 17. In that, square numbers are given. What does mean by square numbers? I hope you have heard this word. It is new to you, I think so. Okay, square number means if I multiply a number with itself, which means 1 is multiplied with 1 itself, what is the answer? 2 is multiplied with 2 itself, what is the answer? 3 is multiplied with 3 itself, what is the answer? So this is what the square number. Okay, a number is multiplied with the same number, you will get one answer, right? So that number is called as square numbers. So what is the pattern? 1 into 1, 1. 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9. 4 4s are 16. 5 5s are 25. 6 6 are 36. 7 7s are 49. 8 8s are 64. 9 9s are 81. 10 10s are 100. Like that it goes on. So what is the square number pattern? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, etc. It goes on. So what is our square number pattern? 1, 4, 9, like this. It has some sequence. It has some common, it is one sequence. It has some common relation between this. What is the relation? I am multiplying a number with that same number. So that is the common relation between that number. Okay, next is your odd number pattern. Listen, if you add first two odd number, you are getting 4. Next 3 odd numbers, 1 plus 3 plus 5, you are getting 9. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, you are getting 16. So listen, if you are adding only 1, you will get 1. 1 means 1 only. If you are adding 2 numbers, you are getting 4, which is nothing but what? 2 into 2, right? 3 numbers, if you add 9, which is nothing but 3 into 3, right? So if you are adding 4 odd numbers, you are getting 16, which is nothing but 4 into 4. So this is also some relation in odd numbers. Listen, 1 means you are getting only 1. If you are adding 2 odd numbers, you are getting 4, which is nothing but 2 square. Okay, we can see 1 into 1, you can write it as 1 square. 2 into 2, 2 square. Likewise, this is 3 square. 4 square. Like that you can say. Okay, likewise, if I am only one number I am using, I am getting 1. If I am using 2 numbers, I am getting 2 square. If I am adding 3 numbers, I am getting 3 square. If I am adding 4 odd numbers, I am getting 4 square. Understood how is the relation in odd numbers? Next is your, you can take page number 18, triangular numbers. Okay, triangular numbers is nothing but we are just arranging the numbers like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, like that we are arranging. Okay, so the numbers which comes at the end, okay, forms the pattern of triangular numbers. So this is what the pattern of the triangular numbers. Actually what we are just arranging the number in shape of a triangle. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that I am arranging. Okay, so the number which comes in this corner, which comes in the right side corner, 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, like that it will come. No, that numbers form the patterns of the triangular numbers. Okay, this is what the new concept. Then they have in above to this they have given how that odd numbers comes. Okay, if you read that carefully, you will get a clear idea about the patterns, how new patterns are coming. Okay children, what is the question next? What we are going to discuss? Exercise 1C. Okay, what is the first question? You can take page number 19. What is the first question? Make a grid diagram for square numbers. I hope they have given a sample grid diagram for square numbers. I'll just show you how to draw a grid diagram. Okay, so what are the square numbers actually? First what is the square numbers? 1. 1 ones are 1. 2 twos are 4. 3 threes are 9. 4 fours are 16. Then 5 5s are 25, like that. These are the square numbers and it goes on, right? These are the square numbers. So first what I am going to do? I am going to do a grid. Only one dot you can keep it. Okay. Next for 4. Square 2. So 4 means what? How you will do the squares? 2 twos are 4. Right? 2 twos are 4. So 2 numbers 2 times you will 2 twos are 4. So this is what the grid diagram for 4. Okay, because 2 into 2 4. So 2 into you will get 4. Next 9 means 3 threes are. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So this is what the grid diagram for 3 threes are 9, because 3 3 3. So 3 I am taking 3 times. 3 I am going to take 3 times. So this is what my grid diagram for 9. Next 4 4s are 16. So 1 2 3 4 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So 4 into 4 16. Listen, 4 I am taking 4 times. 1 2 3 4. Number 4 is taken 4 times, so that is what I am getting 16. Next 5 5s are 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Because I am taking number 5 for 5 times. So this is what the grid diagram for, as if we are doing we are drawing rangoli, we are drawing it, that's all. Okay, we are putting a dot and we are drawing the grids. Okay, this is what the grid diagram for 5 5s are 25. This is how you can draw for every square numbers, but the diagram will be little bit larger. Okay, that is only thing in this. Okay, for 1 this only 1. 2 na 2 twos are 2. I am taking 2 times, so 2 twos are 4. 3 threes are 9. 4 4s are 16. 5 5s are 20, like that. 6 6 are 26. 6 6 are 36, like that you can draw it. Okay children. Next is your second question. Here what they ask you to do, you have to complete this pattern. In this exercise fully you can write it in your textbook. Don't need to write it in a fair note. Okay, just whatever I am giving you, please note it down in your textbook. Okay, what is a pattern? This is like a triangular number, I hope so. Okay, so listen, 1 2 4 5 it is there. So what is pending here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Just check after 6 whether 7 is here or not. Okay, just check it whether 7 is there. 1 minute. Listen, after 3 whether 4 is there or not. 5 6 7 is there or not. 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21. Just check whether after 3 4 is there After 6, 7 is there. After 10, 11 is there. After 15, 16 is there. That's all. So this is what one of the pattern. Okay, this looks like some triangular numbers, right? 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21. Is it? So this is one of the triangular numbers pattern followed here. Next, 11, 12, 13, 14 is there, right? 15, 16, 17 is there. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So this is also one of the triangular numbers pattern which is followed. Kindly note it down in your textbook. Okay children. Next, third question. Can you guess the missing number? This is one of the puzzle, okay? You are going to solve this puzzle. You can, before seeing this chapter, you can pause this video and you can try. Okay, and whether you're getting the same answer or not, you just check it, okay? I have guessed and I have found out that number. Now, listen, I will give you the clue, but you people should pause this video and you have to do and you have to check it, okay? So, what the trick is, listen, 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Right? 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Next, 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 4, 17. 17 plus 4, 21. Next, 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. 18 plus 5, 23. 23 plus 5, 28. 28 plus 5, 33. Next, 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 6, 19. 19 plus 6, 25. Next, 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. So, actually what that trick inside is, here they have added 3 with between all these numbers and we have got the series. Next, after 3 what? 4. I have just added and I got this. After 4 what? 5. After 5 what? 6. After that 7. So, 4 plus 7, 11 you are getting. 11 plus 7, 18 you are getting. So, this is 11 is the missing number. So, 11 is the missing number. Okay. So, what you people are doing is, you are just going to find what is a hidden fact inside. Puzzle means that, so that is only the concept, right? Something will be hidden inside. So we have to find that hidden fact and we are going to solve it. So 2 plus 3, 15. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Likewise, 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. Like that you are adding and you are going to find the answer. Listen, your page number 22, you will have a worksheet. Okay, that is your homework, children. Okay, worksheet you should do in your homework note. Okay, children. Today's class we have discussed exercise 1C and 3 problems we have discussed. Then your homework is worksheet which is given in page number 22. You can do it your worksheet in your homework note, children. Okay, hope you all understood. Thank you.